That's a lot of line in there. Thought it might bring stuff back, but I guess maybe just shoved it down. So this is a Ridgid, and I don't know, I forgot how many feet we got in that snake, but did an excellent job. Probably get out of here. Can you see this, JD? You need to be able to see what I'm doing down here.
Yeah.
And so anyway, I had to keep pushing. It almost like was hitting a wall. And so I pushed into the trap. I mean, past the trap, the snake past the trap. And then I crank it a little bit. And then it'll go down more. Push farther, like run into a brick wall. Crank it.
Go down more.
Go down more. So finally we got all of the snake to go all the way in there. But it just kept hitting about 3 times. It hit, you know, like this mass that wouldn't even allow the snake to pass through. So that blockage was way down in there. And so we didn't become makeshift plumbers overnight. This probably would have been a $400-500 job based on how long it took, I don't know, $300 at least. Compared to what based on what we've been paying.
Right.
So, all right, guys. So more often than I care to have, I have on occasion had to become the plumber of the house. And in this instance, we had a poorly draining bathroom sink. Initially, we're kind of paying it forward here. I hope this video helps someone else on YouTube. We used YouTube videos to kind of figure out a strategy. Looked at a couple of different videos. So initially what we did here, we removed this thingy thing, I don't know the proper name for it, by loosening this attachment here. And subsequently removing that. And so we initially tried to snake right down through here. That didn't work out so well, but we were able to clean out a lot of gunk that was pre-trap. So before you can get to the trap, there's quite a bit of gunk, hair, blockage. We were able to clean that out. That's some of the debris and mess that came out of that before the trap. So that only got us so far, and we weren't confident that was the problem. So we went in and removed the trap, and also removed this elbow here. And we went in with the snake. We're only able to get, I don't know, not even a couple of feet in there before we start running into serious blockage. And so when we ran into the blockage, we started to crank the snake. Snake was able to go a little bit further, start running the snake down deeper, hit blockage again. We hit blockage, pretty significant blockage, about 3 times. So we were pretty confident that we were running into our problem. And then eventually we got the snake to pass through all the pipe to the extent that we had length, and we're able to run it, and it moved through freely. So we're pretty confident that was what we needed to remedy the situation. We've cleaned up everything, and now we're going to show you our end result. So once again, we're back to draining properly. And actually, we've only been in this house for about a year, and for the entire year we've had this issue. So it's draining better than it has since we've even been here. I suspect this would have maybe we probably saved ourselves about $300 to $400 by doing it ourselves. We paid about $30 for this Ridgid hand-powered or manually powered snake, and it was more than enough, more than adequate rather, to remove the blockage and do the job. And I would say maybe even a safer option for a bathroom sink than a power snake if you don't know what you're doing with one of those. I understand you can possibly create leaks or whatever. So there you have it. Thanks for checking it out.